Something strange is going on at Huntsville State Park. We're going to find out what it is. Join us as we go camping and investigate some paranormal activity.
Hey! Get out of here! We're on a road trip. We're going ghost hunting, Tony.
We are going to Huntsville State Park specifically because we heard there's a ghost alligator.
There's a ghost alligator, that's right.
And there's been suspicious
apparitions and
activity out
red
there.
eyes staring at you
Red
from
eyes
out in the
staring
woods.
So
yeah,
we're going to check it out. Did get a trail cam.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna set this up while we're out there. I hope that if we do enough of these, that I actually experience something. But
yeah.
I have never. Every time someone said, "Oh, did you hear that?" I'm like, "Yeah, the refrigerator just kicked on."
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Or something. I've always been able to explain it. So
we need a skeptic. Yeah.
I'm definitely a skeptic.
Okay, I'll be the one pointing everything out and false flagging everything.
Tell me about the hiking.
Okay, so we have several trails. Chickapin, 6.9 miles. Triple C is almost 9 miles, and it goes on the outskirts all the way around.
Okay.
That's your park map.
Awesome.
Okay.
And tell us about the ghost stories. We hear
Ghost stories.
Is there?
Really?
We heard there's a ghost alligator, and people hear or see some weird stuff in the trees at night. We're here to investigate.
Hey, Ashley, you know any ghost stories? Site 99.
Site 99 has some suspicious activity.
Okay.
We will be checking out Site 99.
We'll have to check it out.
All right.
There ain't nobody there right now, is there? It's pretty empty right now. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can conjure up out there.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
If anything
Thanks.
else, let us know.
Awesome.
Have
Thank you.
fun.
Site 99.
99.
We're gonna have to check that out. Got the inside scoop.
She said, "Come on, sister."
Yeah. Look over here. So there's a couple parking spaces and some stairs that go down. You hear that? No, it was something else beyond the frogs. I don't know. It just sounded like maybe it's birds or something.
Now that spooked me out.
What?
You didn't hear that?
Yeah, that little.
No. I'm not kidding.
I didn't hear that.
I did. I literally got the shivers.
I wonder if the camera picked it up. I may need to pull these things
Steve, I'm
up.
not joking.
Okay, well, I'm saying I may need to pull these things up out of my ears so I can hear better.
No, it sounded like a dude.
I didn't hear nothing. It came from this way? Yeah, did you hear that down there, brother? I got the wool pulled up out of my ears now. Hold on. So that I can hear a little bit.
You didn't hear that?
No, I didn't hear that.
You didn't hear that?
Just now?
Yeah. Sounded the exact same thing.
That? Yeah.
Sounded like a freaking dude. That was a dude laughing. I was like, what the hell?
They're all gonna laugh at you. Okay. So if you're camping at this site, see your car is parked up here. Yeah, so the lake is literally like right there off of the spider web.
Yeah, it's not a spider web.
Hold on, listen. I thought I heard something moving.
Oh, there's a spider. You see it?
No.
Oh, really? No. That does not sound like a freaking frog.
frog. We went down to site 99, which the lady up front said that they get a lot of reports of
I think she was wrong about
encounter.
that.
Well, you did get some hairs standing up on your arm there for a second last night when you first heard it.
All I heard was. I was like, what the shit is that laughing at us?
That's funny. I didn't hear it because I had my muffs over.
And I looked at Steve. I said, "Hey, you hear that?" I said, "You heard that?" And he's like, "No, I didn't hear
I
anything."
didn't hear it. Yeah. Turn away, ghost gators coming up to the banks. Yeah, this little headlamp that I've got ain't doing nothing compared to yours. Might as well not even have the thing on. You had to hear that down there, brother? At 3 a.m. Actually 3:30 now. Looking for ghosts. I just turned it on, and right when I did, it said danger. So we've got our EVP here, which is our vocal phenomenon. And then this is the EMF, which if something comes near, the electromagnetic frequency should spike on this. And let's see what we can get.
Expect.
Expect. What should we expect?
Toilet.
Toilet? That comes later.
Like diarrhea?
Like diarrhea? What do you mean toilet? Is something going on in the restroom?
If you want to tell us something, say it in this box.
Did something happen to you in the toilet? The hell was that? That did not sound like a gunshot. Was that the danger you were talking about?
Notebook.
Notebook. Is there a notebook around here that we need to look for? If you can hear me, come close to this box on the left and move. Trees? Are you in the trees? Are you trapped in the trees? Is there a notebook hidden in the trees?
Doorway.
Doorway.
Stinky.
Stinky hearing.
Complain.
Do you have a complaint? Tell me what it is. We all have complaints. What is yours? Is it the stinky doorway? In the
Gassy.
Gassy. Something's going on, but I think we should go to the restroom. Do you want us to go to the restroom?
Car.
Car? The restroom is right over there. We can walk over there.
Carpenter.
Carpenter.
He's a carpenter.
Are you a carpenter?
Are you Jesus?
So we've got gassy, stinky doorway, carpenter, car, restroom. I know you're here. You keep scaring everybody off.
Are you still here?
They told us that everybody that comes here.
Arkansas.
Are you from Arkansas? Did you come camping here from Arkansas? I just got a chill.
Wait.
Like that's kick ass.
Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Annabelle. Okay, so doll.
Or could it be a sibling? Is that your name? Is your name Annabelle?
Remember.
Remember.
Job.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I remember my job. Just trying to forget. Thanks for reminding me.
Guide.
Ooh, guide.
Last one said job.
Is this a coincidence? I think not.
That's weird.
All right, I think.
Job.
Gauge.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Act.
Act.
What was that?
I don't know, but it just said the act.
But it sounded like it was over here.
No, I heard splashing right the fuck.
Splashing?
Act must mean move, dude.
Microwave.
Microwave. You think that's the alligator? Is that the alligator coming?
Cars.
Is that the alligator splashing in the water? Did the alligator eat you?
Play cards, play
Master. Win. Pancake.
All right, dude. We're gonna walk.
Okay,
out.
we're gonna walk around.
You
We'll
wanna keep talking to us.
yeah, we'll leave this on. You want to leave yours on?
Yeah, I'll leave it on.
We're gonna go for a wood walk, like through the deep forest. They've got trails all through this stuff, so we're gonna go walk in some of these trails, check them out.
So we're doing a trail walk tonight.
We'll set up and check out the trail cams. You know what I mean? Yeah,
Just these tall trees alone.
yeah. It's kind of creepy.
Yeah. Just
Plus
the
all
tall
these
trees.
widow makers everywhere, man.
Yeah,
Jeez.
there's one right behind
I
us.
know. We got some widow makers all over the place.
Well, I did get creeped out by the.
There was a second there you said that. I'm freaking. You had the hair standing up on your arms or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
Right, everybody. Hold on. Is that you moving?
Yeah. Probably.
That scared the fuck out of me. We need to not do this shit. Like you.
Hey,
Roger,
listen. Shh.
Did you hear that? That was not you,
What? I missed it. What was it?
Steve. It's creeping me the fuck out. Alright, so
Right. We are in the middle of the woods.
we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it's way out in the middle of nowhere on a little game trail. Huntsville, Texas State Park.
Alright, so.
We got an EMF detector.
Oh, wait, we're
Yeah,
gonna turn
it
that
on.
on.
Boom. Okay. So if there are any spirits around, we should be notified with this spike.
Alright, so we're literally in the middle of the woods here. Steve and I have been walking for, what, a quarter mile or so.
Yeah.
And putting on the EMF detector, kind of see if we see some ghosts or something. We're going to walk a little ways here. and see
Okay,
if
let's
we can get
let's
this
walk
thing.
a little further down this way.
We did notice this one's pinging. Don't know exactly what that is.
Right. Not getting much on the EMF.
Protect.
Protect, okay.
Protect.
I'm going to turn my light on full blast because I heard something. Oh, that's
Oh, that's spooky. I don't know. Hey, if you want to say something to us, you can talk to this box. What did it say?
Stupid?
Stupid. Well, we're trying. Here, shine your light over here on the station.
Yeah, that thing's creepy.
Are you trapped inside this fence?
Steve. Steve, all these lights are going crazy.
Oh man, the EMF is going up too. Are you nearby? You better not sneak up behind me. Carton. Let's go look at this water carton. Is this what you mean?
Hey, I'm going to shut the lights off for a second.
Okay.
Let's shut yours off as well. And I want to see if the lux is up at all. Right here at the bottom.
Sensor. Do we need a different type of sensor in order to detect you? We're gonna start walking back. Now's your chance. If you've got something to say. Huntsville, Texas State Park is supposed to be home to apparitions, spooky ghost alligator. We did hear some splashing in the water. We had a little bit of contact through the EVP. Frogs are going crazy, but I'm not seeing anything out here in the woods. Hey! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! 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 I don't know. No. What the hell? What the hell? Get your light out here. I can't see shit. Anything, dude. I got nothing here, man. Nope, I was asleep, dude. You woke me up. I didn't even hear the tote. Huh?
Did you hear that shit? I could definitely see how people could get mistaken or spooked out by it.
Right. Well, especially some people who are just timid like that and get freaked out by anything, you know?
Yeah, but like I
There are
said,
people
I
like
mean,
that.
oh, absolutely. But like I mean, especially kids, they hear something like,
Oh, what was that? Yeah.
It's a ghost.
Yeah.
And your brain starts playing tricks on you. But,
Yeah.
So we got that. What else we got? We got
raided last night.
Yeah.
Man, that freaked me out because you thought I was messing with you, but I was dead asleep, dude. You woke me up with your yelling.
So last night I heard some rustling about out here, and Steve and I's tent aren't super far apart.
Yeah, we're pretty far apart.
I heard some rustling about, and I actually heard one of these, our bins open. They got food and stuff in them. And I heard one open and close, and I said, Steve, what are you doing? So I was like, is somebody out there? And I did hear some walking around. So I was like, Steve, is that you?
And I think that's what woke me up. I didn't even hear it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what? Are you out there eating?
Yeah, but I thought.
I'm like, no, I'm sleeping.
And then I was like, is this dude messing with me? Because.
And you said that several times. Oh, you're messing with me. Like you just went back.
No, I heard.
And then I heard it. Yeah, but I heard it too after that. And I was like, what the hell?
He goes, get out of here.
You're messing with me. And I was like, oh, finally, you played it off that, okay, Steve's just messing with me. But I was like, no, so I unzipped my tent. And I shine my light out here. My light is almost dead, so it's barely putting off any light. I'm like, dude, shine your light out here. I can't see nothing. And that's when we heard him yelling at us.
Yeah, little dude. Little dude ran off. He was pissed. He ran off back there.
It sounded like there might have been more than one.
I think they were mad, dude. He started yelling at sounded like a Morlock.
And we got the little sucker on camera right here.
Yeah.
We got him on camera raiding our stuff. He ate all our bread.
He ate some of the
tortillas. I think that's about it.
He ate all the bread?
It's all gone, dude.
Ah.
That whole bag was full of bread. It's gone.
Give us rabies.
Ain't no telling what kind of parasites or whatever. Those things, those little garbage munchers, freaking
little shit eaters.
little shit eaters, man. People are always say that was one of the things is they see red eyes staring at
Well,
them.
I
from
was
up the
wondering if it
trees
was
and
trail
stuff.
cams. People were setting up trail cams.
That could be one too, but I don't know. Would you set up a trail cam in a state park though?
Oh, nobody would do that.
Oh, we just did it.
Yeah. So, like, imagine that dude wakes up.
But we
the
did-
little monster's over here, and the
Right.
trail cam lights up, and he sees red eyes.
Okay, yeah, you got it. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with some of your buddies. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah, check out those playlists.